No. No. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z. Remember when we used to ride around together? We used to ride all the time. We used to go all over the place. Sometimes some of these videos, we'd take people on a 300-mile round-trip adventure. Yeah. Those were the days.
Yep, long time ago.
Well, today isn't going to be one of those days. We're doing it short. We just don't have that kind of time. You know, I got to be home. Nicole's got to go to work soon. And I figured today would be a really good excuse to just get out on the bike with my buddy Z, ride around for an hour, maybe go hit some Boston Market.
Oh, I haven't had Boston Market in so long.
That felt pretty good. Yeah. Whoa! That dude ran the shit out of that light. Let's see what Z's up to. Did you guys notice I took the stripes off the bike? Yeah, not bad. Polished her up a little bit. This looks good. All right. They're out enjoying the day. No. No.
Alright, now you gotta record me running up in
Boston Market.
Let's go in the shade and talk about this.
What's it say? What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So the club is kind of floated around my area in San Clemente. I live here and there, and I saw you.
Oh, you know that wall then?
Yeah, I saw you.
This bums me out. This was my favorite spot.
I never went here though.
Thank you for your support and patronage. It's been a privilege, honor, and serve you. We're sorry for your inconvenience. Shit.
Yeah, I never thought I'd catch you, so.
Right on, man. I wish I had a sticker. Usually I have a bunch, but yeah. I don't. If you want, send me an email, and I'll fire you over a couple stickers.
All right, cool.
Here, I'll just give you the key tag off my bike, man.
Oh, sick. Thanks, man.
Thanks for watching, man.
So?
What do we do? I can't believe Boston Market's closed. I feel like a little piece of me has died.
Yeah, 2020 has hit me hard.
This was my go-to. This hurts. What do you feel like? Chinese?
You think I'm Chinese?
No, I'm saying what. That's no. I meant, do you feel like eating Chinese food?
Philly cheesesteaks.
You can't go wrong with the cheesesteak. I'm always in the mood for a cheesesteak.
Yeah. How about Jersey Mike's? They have a pretty good Philly cheesesteak.
They do, actually. They do. Wait, have you ever had their Chipotle cheesesteak?
No, I haven't. I didn't even know they had a Chipotle.
It's pretty good.
The way they made it.
Let's do half and half then. We'll get a large. We'll split it down the middle. You try half, I try half. And we'll see which one's better.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, all right. Jersey Mike's. Yeah, all right. I don't think I've ever been to Jersey Mike's on this channel. Why not? Jersey Mike's. Yeah. You guys haven't had their cheesesteak? It's pretty good. It's glorious, actually. On my way, Chris. I got 2 cheesesteaks, 1 Chipotle, 1 regular. 2 water cups.
2 water cups, you got it. 2 sandwiches comes out to $19.49.
We didn't get Boston Market. We wanted it. Just couldn't make it happen for you. So no mac and cheese, but Jersey Mike's, man, they're Philly cheesesteaks. How'd they hold up?
It's bringing me good old memories of the Philly cheese.
Yeah. So we got 2 cheesesteaks. We got the basic cheesesteak with everything on it. Then we got the Chipotle cheesesteak with just meat and cheese.
For me, the Chipotle sauce was so good that it masked like all the other good flavors of the cheesesteak.
Definitely overpowering.
Yeah. So I didn't really taste cheesesteak. I tasted just Chipotle. But the original cheesesteak with the grilled onions and the peppers and everything, oh, it was so good.
You like the traditional cheesesteak?
I like the traditional one.
You know what? OG for me too. I think the next time I come to Jersey Mike's for a cheesesteak, I'm just gonna get the regular deal, man. I don't need that Chipotle stuff, although it's good, but it's not as good as the original.